Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the power 4 and power number 3. So this one is bigger than this one. So we can use about long division. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So the next one we see that this is about s to the power of number 4. This is about s to the power of number 3. So we need to multiply by s because this one with this one we have s to the power of number 4. With this one we have negative 2s to the power of number 3 and negative 3s squared. So we need to minus two equation together. This one minus this one they cancel. Number 2 minus negative number 2 we have 4. Number 3 minus negative number 3 we have positive number 6 because 3 minus negative number 3 negative and negative you got about positive number 3, so 3 plus 3 we have number 6. And now we put negative s gone here. This one we have s to the power of 3 with number 4. We have s to the power of number 3. So this one we need to put number 4 in here. So number 4 with s to the power of number 3. We have 4s to the power of number 3. Number 4 and negative number 2, we have negative number 8. Number 4 with number 3, we have negative number 12. And then we need to minus two equations. So this one minus this one, they cancel. Number 6 minus negative number 8. So negative with negative, we have positive. And that is about 14s squared. Negative, negative, negative. So this one with this one, we have positive number 12. 12 minus 1, we have positive 11 s. And I will put number 3 gone here. So for this one, we can write like this. So s plus 4 I will put in here, and remainder this one I will put on numerator. So we have like this. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 4, that is about 4s. And now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to do about factorization by s. Negative 2s we can put into negative 3s plus s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 1. And now we can do another factorization by s minus number 3. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s, b over s plus number 1. c over s minus number 3. And now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 1 and s minus number 3. So capital A multiplied by this one. About B, it is missing about s and s minus number 3. About C, it is missing about s and s plus 1. So for this one, we need to expand, and we have like this. This one we have s squared minus 3s. This one we have s squared plus s. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a, b, c. About s, we have negative 2a, negative 3b, and positive c, because negative number 2 multiplied by 8, negative number 3 multiplied by b, and number 1 with c. That's why we have this one. And the last one we have negative 3, 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have s squared next to 14. So this one 14 equal 4a plus b plus c. We have s, and this one we have positive 11. So this one equal for this one. And the positive number 3 equals to negative number 3. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we have the solutions of ABC. So we put ABC go back in here. So 8 equals to negative number 1, B equals to 3 over 2, C equals to 27 over 2. And now we have the final answer in here. And now we need to combine this one and this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.